القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Welcome to lesson number 10. Lesson number 10 is the continuation of the Al-Ikhfaa, the subject of Al-Ikhfaa. But this Al-Ikhfaa is known as Al-Ikhfaa Shafawi. As we know, like Shafatain letters are those which come from the lips. So this refers to the lips specifically. It refers to the meme, because the meme come from the lips, from the Ghunna letters. So this means the hiding of the meme. So what is the hiding of the meme? The Al-Ikhfaa al-Shafawi is the hiding of the meme when a meme sakin is followed by a ba. So the meme sakin is followed by a ba. This rule will apply. Now this rule is also known as Al-Ikhfaa meme sakin. Ikhfaa meme sakin. So what is the definition of this? When the meme sakin is followed by the ba, we will apply the ghunna to the meme sakin. Now an important thing to consider is that the ikhfa, this particular ikhfa can only occur in between two words. So the other ikhfa with nun sakin and tanween can occur in one word and between two words, but this one can only occur between two words. So the ghunna for this ikhfa will be strong, as all of the sound will be coming from the nose. Of course, when we pronounce the meme, we close the lips, so no sound can come from the mouth. We close the lips, so no sound will come from the mouth. And the examples are given here. For example, we will say the first word, ترميهم, then بحجارة, ترميهم بحجارة, and عليهم بمسيطر, عليهم بمسيطر. Now, although it will be strong, it will be of medium length. The length of this ikhfa will be the same as the so the length of the ikhfa meme shafawi, ikhfa shafawi will be the same as normal ikhfa nun sakin tanween. So that's like min turab tarmihim bihijara. The length of it is the same. So this is a particular nuance regarding to the meme, and of course it can only occur when the ba is coming after. We can see that after the meme sakin there is a ba here. So you should read surah number 105 to your appointed teacher and go through these words, and once you've confirmed that with your teacher and they've confirmed and authorized you to go to the next lesson, you may go to the next lesson.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.